had a lot of discussion in regard to sales, finding ways to be better, looking for problem solving, looking for opportunities to get better.
Overall, I mean, I feel that ever since the beginning of the program that not only my sales but confidence as well as shop morale, everything has honestly improved.
Individually, I feel like I'm more efficient and more effective. I feel like there's more processes in place because of the advice that I've been given here. So things are just going smoothly, and it's just easier than overall, I think, to hit the goals I have.
Increase some sales. There's been some specific situations where I've been able to utilize tools that I can say definitively came from this program to close sales that I wouldn't have before.
Being able to have a coach that's kind of just always there to actually support you as well as, ask you how things have been going and kind of just trying to reiterate things has definitely been beneficial.
My guy is in Service Advisor Mastery Program. So I think the biggest thing is that I've just noticed him take more of a responsibility in the numbers himself rather than me being the one kind of beating them down his throat. Like, you need to hit these goals because that just does me a favor. I think he's accepting the responsibility for that, and he's tracking it, he's watching it more closely, which takes a lot of sort of the management, the sales management portion off my shoulders, because I know he's holding himself accountable to that. And that's been a big value for me, honestly.
Also, the team dynamic is fun because it's really competitive, and that's really just enjoyable and fun. Also, being able to see the scores and also tracking everything. It's nice to be able to just have everything on record and look back really easily. That's really nice. Brings another aspect of fun and friendly competition into work, which I personally enjoy.